Today we shall read about Jainism. Jainism was founded by Rishabhnath or Adinath. There were 24 Tirthankars or prophets or gurus, all Kshatriyas. First was Rishabhnath. His emblem is bull, but there is no historical basis for the first 22 Tirthankars. Rishabhnath and Aristhanemi 22nd are mentioned in Rig Veda. Only the last two Tirthankars are historical personalities. The 23rd Tirthankar, Parshvanath, emblem is snake, was the son of King Ashwasena of Banaras. His main teachings were non-injury, non-lying, non-stealing, non-possession. The 24th and the last Tirthankar was Vardhaman Mahavira, whose emblem is lion. Vardhaman Mahavira. He was born in Kundagram, district Muzaffarpur, Bihar in 540 BC or 599 BC. His father Siddhartha was the head of Jantrika clan. His mother was Trisala, sister of Lichavi prince Chetak of Vaishali. Mahavira was related to Bimbisara as Bimbisara had married Chelana, the daughter of Chetak. Married to Yasoda, had a daughter named Priyadarsana, whose husband Jamali became his first disciple. At 30, after the death of his parents, he became an ascetic. In the 13th year of his asceticism, on the 10th of Vaisakha, outside the town of Jrimbhigrama, he attained supreme knowledge or Kaivalya. He delivered his first sermon at Vitulanchal Parvat in Rajgir, Magadha. From now on, he was called Jaina or Jitendriya and Mahavira, and his followers were named Jains. He also got the title of Arihant, that is worthy. He taught in Ardh Magadhi language. At the age of 72, he attained death at Pava near Patna in 468 BC or 527 BC. Mahavira preached almost the same message as Parashvanath and added one more, Brahmacharya or celibacy, to it. After the death of Mahavira, during the reign of King Chandragupta Maurya, a severe famine led to a great exodus of Jain monks from the Ganga valley to the Deccan, where they established important centers of their faith. This migration led to a great schism in Jainism. Bhadrabahu, who led the emigrants, insisted on the retention of the rule of nudity which Mahavira had established. Stulabhadra, the leader of the monks who remained in the north, allowed his followers to wear white garments owing to the hardships and confusions of the famine. Hence arose the two sections of Jains, the Digambars, or sky-clad, that is naked, and the Svetambars, white-clad. Teachings of Mahavira rejected the authority of the Vedas and do not attach any importance to the performance of sacrifices. He believed that every object, even the smallest particle, possesses a soul and is endowed with consciousness. That is why they observe strict non-violence. The Jains reject the concept of a universal soul or a supreme power as the creator or sustainer of the universe. Attainment of salvation, nirvana, by believing in penance and dying of starvation. Main difference between Jainism and Buddhism is that attention of salvation or nirvana by believing in penance and dying of starvation. Universal brotherhood, that is, he treated people of all the castes equally but didn't condemn the caste system. It is to be noted that in Jainism, three ratnas are given and they are called the way to nirvana. They are right faith, right knowledge, and right conduct. Jain literature. Mahavira's teaching was methodically compiled by his follower into many texts. These texts are collectively known as Agams, the sacred book of the Jain religion written in the Prakrit script. Hence, the Jain religion does not have one sacred book like the Bible or the Quran, but it has many books compiled by many followers. Agam literature is also divided into two groups. Agams. This text contains the direct preaching of Lord Mahavira. Lord Mahavira's immediate disciples were known as Ganadhars. All Ganadhars possessed perfect knowledge or Keval Gyan. They orally compiled the direct preaching of Lord Mahavira into 12 main texts or sutras. These texts are known as Ang Agams. Hence, the Ang Agams are the oldest religious scriptures and the backbone of Jain literature. The 12th Ang Agam is called Drastivad. It consists of 14 Purva texts, also known as Purvas or Purva Agams. Among Ang Agams, Purvas were the oldest sacred texts. All Jain sections believe that knowledge of the Purvas or Drashtivad were gradually lost, starting 200 years after Lord Mahavira's nirvana or death. However, the subject matter of the Purvas has been referred by other Jain scriptures and literature. Agams. It is the second one of Agam literature. Outside of Agams, monks who had knowledge of a minimum of 10 purvas were known as Srut Kevalis. The Srut Kevalis wrote many texts or sutras expanding the subject matter defined in the Agams. Collectively, these texts are called Bahya Agams, meaning outside of Agams. The different Jain sections accept different number of Bahya texts. However, the Digambar section believes that they were also gradually lost starting about 200 years ago after Lord Mahavira's Nirvana. Jain councils. First council was held at Patliputra by Stulabhadra in the beginning of 3rd century BC. Second council, it was held at Ballavi, Gujarat in the 5th century AD under the leadership of Devridhi Gani. Other points. Gomateswar statue, a 17-meter high monolithic statue on Vindhyagiri at Sravan Belagola in Karnataka, is dedicated to the Jain god or Bahubali, son of the first Tirthankar Adhinath. It was built around 983 AD and is one of the largest freestanding statues in the world. The construction of the statue was commissioned by the Ganga dynasty minister and commander Chamundaraya. The Mahamastakabhiseka refers to the Abhiseka or anointment of the Jain images when held on the large scale. The most famous of such consecration is the anointment of the Bahubali statue of Sravana Belagola, held once in every 12 years. The Dilwara temples in Mount Abu, Rajasthan are the Jain temples which were built by Vimal Shah, a minister of Chalukyan king Bhima I, and designed by Vastupal Tejpal between the 11th and 13th century AD. The 5 marble temples are famous for their intricate marble carvings. Sikharji or Giridih district, Jharkhand, and Parasnath Hill, the highest mountain of Jharkhand, also called Samet Sikhar, is the most important Jain Tirtha, believed to be the place where 20 of the 24 Jain Tirthankars, along with many other monks, attained nirvana through meditation. Jainism reached the highest point in Chandragupta Maurya time. It was also patronized by Bimbisara, Udayin, Lichachavi king, Chetak, and king of Kalinga, Kharavela. Various factors were responsible for the decline of Jainism in India. They took the concept of ahimsa too far. They advised that one should not take medicine when one fell sick because the medicine killed the germs. They believed that there was life in trees and vegetables and so refrained from harming them. Such practices could not become popular with common men. There were moreover no patronage from the latter kings. Jain practices term loosely used for the language of the Jain Agamas. The book of Jainism were written in the popular vernacular dialects as opposed to Sanskrit, which was the classical standard of Brahmanism, and therefore encompass a number of related dialects. Chief among them is Ardha Magadhi. Jain literature was written in Apabhrasa, a term used by grammarians to refer to language spoken in North Indian before the rise of modern languages. Due to the influence of Jainism, many regional languages emerged out like Sauraseni, out of which grew the Marathi, Gujarati, Rajasthani, and Kannada. Thank you.